The 1936 Arrowhead Teardrop Car was a striking example of pre-war automotive streamlining, built as a marketing tool for the Arrowhead Spring Water Company of San Bernardino, California. This uniquely designed vehicle was conceived at a time when aerodynamic efficiency and futuristic styling were gaining popularity in the automotive industry. The car's design is credited to Everett Miller, a skilled automobile stylist with experience working for the Walter Murphy Company and other notable coach builders. He collaborated with Medardo Morgano's Advanced Auto Body Works in Los Angeles, where the aluminum body was formed over an intricate wooden frame. The result was a striking teardrop-shaped vehicle measuring 17 feet in length, painted in aquamarine blue with chromium finish. It featured woodlight headlamps, seamlessly integrated into the body, and a distinctive illuminated Arrowhead logo along the roofline. Beneath its radical body, the Arrowhead Teardrop Car had an unconventional three-wheeled chassis. The car used a Ford V8 engine mounted in the rear, with power sent to the front wheels, while the single rear wheel controlled steering. Hydraulic brakes operated on all three wheels. Although the setup was innovative, it likely led to handling challenges similar to Buckminster Fuller's Dymaxion car, which shared the rear steering configuration. The Teardrop Car debuted in 1936, embarking on promotional tours that captured public attention. However, in June 1937, a serious accident damaged the car, leading to reports that it was scrapped. This was long assumed to be the end of the story, until new evidence surfaced decades later. In July 2020, automotive historians Jeff Hacker and Bob Cunningham uncovered a post-accident photograph of the Arrowhead Teardrop Car, now repaired and repainted in a darker shade of blue. The Arrowhead branding was removed, and the car now displayed signage for Craig Oil Company, which advertised its massive Wilshire Boulevard service station in Los Angeles. This suggests that after the accident, the car was salvaged, repaired, and repurposed for a new marketing campaign. The last confirmed sighting of the Arrowhead Teardrop Car was in the late 1940s. Some reports claim it was seen on a flatbed truck in Los Angeles as late as the 1980s, but its fate remains unknown. Despite extensive searches by automotive historians, the vehicle has not been located. The mystery of the Arrowhead Teardrop Car continues to intrigue enthusiasts, fueling hopes that it may one day resurface.